I'm Shanae with WTI. So today I wanted to show you this gorgeous bronze and highlighter kit by Maybelline that I like to use when I want to give my face a nice sun-kissed glow. So the palette contains 4 stunning shades which look really nice on my medium skin tone, and they range from very shimmery with the lightest shade to almost a matte with the darkest shade. So I like to start by using the darkest shade first. So I'll gently blend it along my cheekbones as well as the top of my forehead and along my jawline. I like this shade because it's not too dark, so it just adds a little more dimension to my face. Next, I'll use this shade on my cheekbones again, blending it in with the first shade that I used, and I find that this shade really adds some nice warmth. Now this shade I'll use on my eyes, and it's the closest one to my skin tone, so it just gives it a nice shimmer. Lastly, I'll use the highlighter along the top of my cheekbones as well as the inner corners of my eyes, and sometimes I'll put a bit on my nose as well as my cupid's bow just above my lips. And this shade is very shimmery, so it does a really great job of illuminating your skin. So I love this palette. The colors are beautiful and they apply and blend really nicely. I also find that the formula doesn't irritate my skin and it does a great job of staying on. So if you want to make it look like you just got back from a vacation, then this kit will definitely do the trick, and that's my point of view.